So guys, after I read this comment, I decided to make a video on what is market order and what is limit order when you're investing in the stock market, and this will help you to invest in the stock market or to execute your trade in the stock market without having any issues, because I've seen that some persons have this issue, and also I was a victim to this issue. So when I discovered their difference, I said I should make a video so that all of you will benefit from this knowledge I've gotten. Before I go onto my screen, I have to explain to you what I'm talking about. That's the market order and the limit order. When you're investing in the stock market, maybe using Afrinvestor 2.0 or other brokerage company out there, there's what they call the market order and what they call the limit order. Now, once you use the market order, it's you giving an instruction for you to buy or sell a stock at the current market price. So if the stock is trading for 15 naira at the moment, you are getting that stock for 15 naira at the moment. It is an instantaneous order that your brokerage company should execute that trade based on the current market order. But when you choose the limit order, it's you giving an instruction that is specific on what you want. So let's say the stock is trading for 15 naira, you can give an instruction that once the stock goes to 48 naira, I should buy that stock or it should execute the trade, or once the stock gets high to about 50 something naira, you should sell off the trade. So that's the difference between market order and limit order when it comes to buying and selling of stock. But I'll be going over to my screen so that I'll explain this better and you can see it. Now, one thing you should know is that when the market is not open, you will not be able to see market order. You should understand it that from the hours of 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, that's when the Nigerian stock market is open, and that's when you'll be seeing market order. But the limit order is always available. It's always available even on weekend, public holiday, but market order is not available on weekend and public holiday. It's usually open when the market is trading. Now let's come to see all this. Now, once you want to buy a stock and this order type, you are seeing limit order and market order. Once I click on this, I'm seeing market order. So you are saying buy O and O at the best available price, and for the limit order, you are saying buy at the maximum price. Now, once I click on market order, they'll be telling me the limit period. Now, the limit period is always good for the day. Then you are going to put the amount of shares you want to buy, and they'll do the conversion for you. So let's say you want to buy 50, they'll do the amount, that's 2,525 naira. But let's go on to limit order. Now, once I click on limit order, now I then put the good still price for the day. I'll now be putting the price I want to buy the stock. So now the stock is trading for 50 naira 50 kobo. I can now put that 50 naira 50 kobo down there. But if I don't want to buy the stock for that trade, I want to buy it when it gets to 49 naira, I can also put it there, and I can put it 49 naira 50 kobo. Now, what will happen is that once the stock goes down to that 49 naira, that's when this trade will be executed. But if it has not gotten down to 49 naira, this trade will not be executed. It will just be pending till it gets down to 49 naira. So I want you to understand this when you are trading in the stock market. Now, the importance of knowing this is that the stock market is highly volatile. You can put a limit order, putting the current price of the stock when you are checking the chart. But once Afrinvestor or your brokerage company execute the trade, they'll discover that the price has gone up a bit. The price is not what your current limit order states. So once you put it in the market order, they are always giving you a market margin. It's about 10% of the amount of stock you want to buy. So they'll give you that market margin so that if it shoots more than that amount you want it, you will not really get affected. So let's say you want to buy a stock of 50,000 naira, they'll give you a market margin of 5,000 naira. Once the stock have been executed, definitely they'll refund you. That's your market margin. So that's one thing you need to understand. I missed out on a stock. I got a stock for 660 naira on the limit order, but the stock was highly volatile. Before Afrinvestor should place the trade, it has gone high, and I could not buy the stock again because I've missed out on that low amount. So that's one thing you need to understand if you want to invest in the stock market. Whether you buying or selling of your stock, you need to know if you are using the market order or the limit order. Limit order is good when you want to sell at a certain amount of time, but you don't want to be checking the stock market price. You just want to put the amount there, and anytime it goes to that amount, your stock should sell on its own. That's the beauty of using limit order. But once you want to execute a trade instantaneously or immediately, then always use the market order. So if videos like this interest you, do also hit that subscribe button as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online and also investing. You can drop your comments in the comment section as I look forward to telling you some things you need to know about investing. Till our next one, peace.